Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about how long it takes to build wealth. One of the most common questions people ask about money is how long does it take to build wealth? The answer is both simple and frustrating. It depends. In a world filled with social media influencers and overnight success stories and flashy headlines about millionaires, many people develop unrealistic expectation about how quickly wealth can be created. The truth is that real wealth is usually built slowly through consistent habits, disciplined financial decisions, and long term planning. While there is no exact timeline that applies to everyone, understanding how wealth is created can help you set realistic expectations and stay motivated throughout the journey. Wealth is a process, not an event. Most people think wealth happens because of one big moment: a successful business, a stock market investment, or a large inheritance. While those situations can accelerate financial success, most wealthy individuals build their wealth gradually over time. Wealth is often the result of consistent saving, smart investing, living below your means, avoiding unnecessary debt, increasing income, practicing financial discipline. These habits may not seem exciting, but they are foundation of long-term financial success. The power of time. One of the most important factors in building wealth is time. The earlier you begin saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Compounding allows your earnings to generate additional earnings, creating a snowball effect over the years. For example, someone who invests $300 per month starting at age 25 will often accumulate significantly more wealth than someone who starts investing larger amounts later in life. Time can be one of your greatest financial assets. The first few years matter most. The beginning of wealth building journey often feels slow. During the first few years, many people focus on paying off debt, building an emergency fund, learning financial skills, establishing a budget, increasing income. At this stage, progress may seem small. Account balances may grow slowly, and it can feel like wealth is far away. However, these early years are critical because they create the financial habits that support future growth. Many people give up too soon because they underestimate the importance of consistency. Building wealth usually takes decades. While there are exceptions, most people build significant wealth over a period of 10, 20, or even 30 years. Wealth is often measured not by income, but by net worth, the difference between what you own and what you owe. A person earning a moderate income who consistently saves and invests may eventually accumulate more wealth than someone with a high income who spends everything they earn. The key is maintaining good financial habits over a long period of time. Income helps, but habits matter more. Many people believe they cannot build wealth until they earn a higher salary. While increased income can certainly help, income alone does not guarantee financial success. There are countless examples of high income earners who struggle financially because they overspend, accumulate debt, fail to invest, live beyond their means. Meanwhile, disciplined individuals with average incomes often build wealth steadily through smart money management. Your financial habits frequently matter more than your income level. The role of investing. Investing plays a major role in long term wealth creation. Simply saving money is important, but investing allows your money to work for you. Common investment vehicles include retirement accounts, stocks, mutual funds, exchange traded funds, ETFs, real estate, small businesses. Successful investors understand that wealth building requires patience. Markets experience ups and downs, but long term investors benefit from staying consistent through different economic cycles. Trying to get rich quickly often leads to poor decisions and unnecessary risks. Why comparison slows progress? One of the biggest obstacles to build wealth is comparing yourself to others. Social media often showcases luxury cars, expensive vacations, large homes, designer lifestyles. What people rarely show are debt balances, financial struggles, business failures, years of hard work. Comparing your financial journey to someone else highlights real can create frustration and unrealistic expectations. Focus on your own goals and progress rather than competing with others. Wealth looks different for everyone. Building wealth does not necessarily mean becoming a millionaire. For some people, wealth means being debt free, owning a home, retiring comfortable, paying for children education, having financial freedom. The timeline for achieving these goals varies based on income, lifestyle, expenses, and personal priorities. The most important thing is defining what wealth means to you. How to spend, how to speed up wealth building. While wealth takes time, there are ways to accelerate the process. Increase your income. Look for opportunities to earn promotions, develop new skills, start a side business, create additional income streams. Control lifestyle inflation. As income increases, avoid increasing spending at the same pace. Invest consistently. Regular investing helps maximize the benefit of compounding. Avoid high interest debt. Debt can significantly slow financial progress. Continue learning. Financial education often leads to better money decision. My final thoughts on this is, so how long does it take to build wealth? For most people, wealth is built over many years through consistently discipline and smart financial habits. There is no magic formula or overnight success strategy that works for everyone. The journey may take a decade or more, but every dollar saved, every investment made, and every smart financial decision contributes to your future success. The good news is that you do not need to be rich to start building wealth. You simply need to start. The sooner you begin, the more time you give yourself to create the financial future you want. Wealth is not built in a day, it is built through the decisions you make every day. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.